How do social sciences influence policymaking? If you've ever wondered how social sciences shape the decisions that govern our societies, you're about to find out. Let's break it down step by step. Social sciences, including fields like psychology, sociology, and anthropology, play a critical role in informing policy decisions. Here's how it works. First, social scientists need to understand the policy world. This means developing an awareness of the complexities and uncertainties involved in decision-making. They must recognize that priorities can change quickly and that knowledge that aligns with existing value sets is more likely to be influential. Building strong relationships with policymakers is key. Social scientists can achieve this through long-term engagement, such as participating in knowledge co-production. This involves actively involving decision-makers in the scientific process from the start. By spending time with policymakers, scientists can build trust and ensure their information is assimilated effectively. Empathy is also crucial. Social scientists need to be aware of the competing goals and complexities of policy decisions. They should help policymakers understand risks, uncertainties, and complexities without biasing their own work. This empathetic approach makes them more likely to be invited into the policy process. High-quality science is essential. Policymakers prefer working with scientists who have established themselves in their field. When the science is excellent and relevant, social scientists gain a reputation for providing clear and useful insights. This authority allows them to simplify complex issues and make them more accessible to policymakers. Social scientists also need to engage, educate, and enable the public. By helping people understand the complexities of decision-making, social scientists provide a vital service to policymakers. This can involve assisting in the facilitation or implementation of research, or validating decisions within the public arena. Another important aspect is translating scientific findings into practical, usable information for policymakers. This involves a collaborative process where social and behavioral scientists work together with policymakers to identify robust methods and findings that are relevant to policy. The goal is to produce presentations that are accessible and applicable for policymakers at different levels of government. In education policy, for example, social sciences like psychology, sociology, and economics are used to develop an evidence base. Policymakers rely on these sciences to understand factors that influence academic outcomes and to design more effective educational procedures. In summary, social sciences influence policymaking by providing critical insights into human behavior and social dynamics. By building strong relationships with policymakers, understanding policy complexities, and translating scientific findings into practical information, social scientists can significantly impact decision-making processes. This collaboration helps policymakers make more informed and effective decisions, ultimately benefiting society as a whole.